Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this ain't my normal video, but I figured it was time for a tool upgrade. So, picked me up some new stuff. Finally, new cordless stuff. Very nice. Box is very well made. Got nice handles, nice wheels. Everything's already put together. And this is what it, sorry about the light. Let me spin it this way. There we go. This is what it normally runs. Special buy kit. Valued. And so, this is what it comes with. So, I mean, just super all the way around so far, really nice. So, let's crack this open and take a look and see how it's packaged. And this is the kit number in case you was wondering. It was $4.99 shipped, and it's got the warranty and everything with it. So, really nice pack out box. Really nice made hinges on it. And the lid does stand up by itself. That's really nice. Here's your warranty cards and all that stuff. You need to know about your chargers and all of that. Let me pause this real quick and pull these boxes. And of course they was in the plastic. But we got the new fuel brushless motor, hammer drill. Very nice. We have the baby impact. Very nice. Definitely feels solid made, and it's balanced pretty good. Even without the battery, it's still balanced good. It comes with, wind. Comes with the charger that charges both 12 volt. Sorry about that. 12 volt. And 18 volt. That's nice. Comes with two 5 batteries. That's really nice. Instead of the 4 or the 2. There's 2 of them. Comes with sawzall blade. Pull this one out of here. It also comes with an extra piece for the grinder. The piece for your drill. Keep on digging here. Comes with the handle for your drill. Sorry, this is hard to do with one hand. We have here we have the mini sawzall, rip saw, hacksaw, whatever you want to call it. It's also 18 volt, which is lovely, with the quick connect blade. That's always nice. Comes with the grinder wheel tool, which is really awesome. And the rest of it, give me one second. It also comes with the grinder, the fuel brushless grinder. And back here is the little piece that comes extra right here in case it busts or whatever. So very nice. It was packed very well. I don't see no damage to the box at all, other than the box that it come in. The big box, it had a little bit of stuff on the side, but other than that, nice deep box, so you can put extra tools in there. There's the grinder shield. But I mean, all in all of this is fuel, brushless motor. So I mean, that's awesome in itself. And this kit was only $499, and it is all 18 volt 5 amp batteries, and you get the charger as well. Just these batteries alone are expensive when you buy them separate. So I mean, this is a very nice put together kit. It's got the piece for the hammer drill, the handle, and then the attachment also. But yeah, I'm excited to put these to work. Got a couple of new projects getting ready to start, so I'm excited to put these to work and just give you a good review on it and let you know how they turned out. I have one other thing that hasn't showed up yet that's going to be a part of this kit. I just got to wait for it to get here, and I'll do a review on that also. But I mean, as solid made, the triggers, all of the triggers feel good, and this has got the locking trigger on it in case you need to know that, so you don't accidentally turn it on or anything. So that's nice. The little impact's got a lock mode in the center, so it does turn on. It does have the LED light, which is always nice. So does the rip saw or hacksaw. The drill does have one also. And take that out of the way. Comes with the charger, so that's super nice. Grinding, the tool for the grinder, the handle, and all the warranty papers and chances to, what is that one? Chances to win free Milwaukee stuff. So all in all, the kit is very nice. Plus, I mean, this box, she's sturdy, so I'm really excited to put that to work. Well, y'all have a great day, and I'll let you keep you updated on how these are doing. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day. Like and subscribe. Bye. This is Adam.